Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the vocal. Apply a high pass at 60 to 120 Hz to clear subsonic energy because low rumble muddies clarity. Once done, set gain so peaks sit comfortably below clipping. This preserves headroom for EQ moves. Now flatten the EQ and solo the track. You want an unbiased reference. Listen for obvious problems: muddiness around 200-400 Hz, boxiness near 801-200 Hz, and sibilance above 5K Hz, so you can target the first corrective cuts. Next, perform surgical cuts. Use a narrow Q and boost while sweeping to find peaks, then cut 2 to 6 dB to remove honk or resonance. This cleans without making the voice thin. Once stable, switch to wide Q boosts of +1 to +3 dB to add presence or air, boost around 3-6 kHz for intelligibility, and near 10-12 kHz for sparkle. Also, make sure to control sibilance. Use a de-esser or a narrow dip around 5 to 9 kHz so S and T sounds don't hurt the mix. Finally, integrate the vocal into the full mix. Bypass and re-enable your EQ while listening in context, then make small tweaks of 1 to 2 dB to ensure the voice sits naturally. Use parallel compression to add body without over-EQing, and automate subtle EQ moves for different sections. If things still sound wrong, troubleshoot. Check mic placement, preamp gain staging, and room acoustics. These upstream problems often mimic bad EQ, so solve the source rather than overprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.